Hey guys, welcome back again. Today I'm back with a serious topic about Gmail password forgotten in Android phone. So in this video I'll show you the easy step to reset or change your forgotten Gmail password in your Android phone. You don't need previous ID, don't need previous mobile phone number. So open any browser in your Android phone. I'll show the easy step. So open any browser in your Android phone and in the Google, open the Google, and in the Google just type Gmail password forgot and scroll down. You will find this first link, account recovery, Google account. This is the official page of Google. So tap on this. Here type your Gmail ID which you want to change the password, forgotten password. So simply add your Gmail ID and click next. Here it will ask the password, so password you don't know, so tap on try a different question here. Okay, this is a new updated version from the Gmail, so you will get a insert code. Just tap on send. Okay, I'll show you how to use it. It's very simple. Yeah, just remember this number like 60. So you need to remember the 60 number and you will get notification like trying to sign in. So tap on that. And then tap on yes, trying to sign in. Yes, of course. Tap the yes and then tap the number like 60 number we got. Tap on 60 number and boom, signing approved. Now very soon you will get your password change option. That's it, man. It's very easy. Look at it. Now you can create your new password. Just type your password and confirm once again your password and then tap on change password. They are super easy. Yeah, so thanks to Google, actually thanks to Google, this is a new option added. So now just change the password, tap on change the password and follow the on screen instruction, and that's it. You have successfully changed your password or forgotten your Gmail password. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.